Okay, continuing our discussion of dimensions. Now we're going to talk about arc length or angles, if you will. All right, so first of all, let's just draw a polyline. And what I want to do is just draw some type of angle. Doesn't really particularly matter. All right, going back to my layer properties. Going to go to dimensions and make that current. So if I pull down on the home ribbon, I have angular dimension. So let's do that. As soon as I select it, it prompts me for more information. Select arc, circle, line, or specify vertex. And you can specify the vertex, which in this case is here, or you can select the line. So I'm going to select the first line. As soon as I tap the left mouse key, it's going to ask me for the second, which is here, and then it's going to give me the angle. You can go pull left or right and select the particular angle. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit and notice it gives us a couple of options. And I haven't hit the left arrow to lock this in yet, but it's given me the ability to measure from different reference points. Between the two lines here is 37 degrees. 180 minus 37 is obviously 143. So if I pull to the left, it will give me that particular angle there. So I'm just going to, as soon as I want it, where I've got it where I want it, I'm just going to hit the left mouse button and lock it in. I'm going to do do it again just for the benefit of it. So select the first line, select the second line, and that is 37 degrees. We know from our basic geometry that that is correct because they add together to be 180. Okay. All right, the next way we could do it is measure an arc, and just so you know that these particular dimensions will be used in your survey class as you measure different points. You're going to be required to determine the angles between them, the offset, and we're going to cover how to change this from a single degree to degree, minutes, seconds. But this will be your offset. So let's just draw an arc. Again, there's several different types of arc, 3-point, so forth. But I'm just going to draw a 3-point arc. I did have it on the wrong layer, so let me change that to the right layer. DM object. Okay. Now I want to measure the arc length. Pull down the annotation tab and go to arc length. It prompts me for more information. Select arc or polyline arc segment. So now all I have to do is select the object, and it will give me the particular dimension. Okay. Back to our circle, we have the ability to measure a particular length on a circle. So let's use that tool again. It prompts me for more information. Prompts me for a circle line, so I'm going to select this, and it has pulled out the dimension between when I started and when I finished. In this case, it's 259. I'm going to go over that again. So select arc, Now, the first time I clicked, that is where it wanted, or that's where the first dimension is aligned. So if you have some points, maybe you draw some construction lines and snap to that point. So it's let me determine that this is 14 degrees between the two that I selected. Fairly simple. Again, to cover what we have already discussed, we have linear, aligned, we have angular, we have arc length, angular, arc length. We've also discussed that we want to hold our witness lines. Again, this is a witness line. This is dimension, the witness line. We'll hold it back so it doesn't appear to cross over our object. For instance, here we want to pull this particular witness line back.